Hello students and welcome back to Singhvi School of Excellence. This time SSC has come up with a scholarship program for those students who are right now in class 11 and 12 commerce section. जी हाँ, we are giving a scholarship on our tuition fees. Basically क्या होता है, बहुत जन अपने financial problems के कारण tuitions नहीं ले पाते हैं, तो उनको आगे आगे प्रॉब्लम फेस करना पड़ता है. तो बेसिकली दिस स्कॉलरशिप इज फॉर नॉन एसएससियंस. We are giving a rebate, we are giving a discount, rather we are providing a scholarship on our tuition fees for class 11 and 12 to the top 20 students. Top 20 students को हमारे यहाँ से हमारे tuition fees पे scholarship मिलने वाला है. और मैं बता देता हूँ वो top 20 students को किस किस तरह से scholarship मिलेगा. जो top 4 होंगे they will be getting 100% scholarship on our tuition fees. Yes, you heard it right. 100% scholarship जो भी हमारी tuition fees होगी, they had to pay nothing, and the remaining next 6 candidates will be getting 50% scholarship. यानी जो भी हमारी scholarship होगी उस पे 50% rebate मिल जाएगा, and the remaining 10 students will be getting 25% scholarship. So top 4 100%, next 6 50%, and the remaining 10 they will be getting 25% scholarship. Now the date of the scholarship exam will be 15th August. जी हाँ, 15th August को एग्जाम होगा, and the exam will be conducted in MCQ pattern. There will be total 30 questions, and the students will be given 45 minutes to answer those questions. And there are no negative marking, so 30 questions in just 45 minutes. And the last date to get yourself registered for this scholarship exam will be 10th August. If you are willing to appear for the exam on 15th August, you need to register yourself till 10th August. 10th August is the deadline. आप अपना जो फॉर्म है, the link is given in the description. आप description में जाके you can fill the form, and for the form we have kept a nominal charge of ₹50 because जब तक ये ₹50 नहीं होगा, student don't show seriousness. So that will be conducted on 15th August, and the last day to appear is to fill the form is 10th August. Now coming to the last part, syllabus. Now जो class 11 का syllabus है, that will be based on the class 10 का mathematics. Class 10 के basic 4 chapters will be given. They are trigonometry, algebra, quadratic equation, and mixtures and proportions. So these 4 chapters आपको in depth study करना पड़ेगा, तभी जाके आप properly exam में appear कर पाओगे and will be able to answer the questions. And for class 12 we have kept the syllabus of class 11 accountancy, and there will be 4 chapters from class 11, that is bank reconciliation statement BRS, depreciation, final accounts and journals. इन चारों का इन डेप्थ नॉलेज होगा, तभी जाके आप डेफिनेटली एग्जाम्स में अच्छे मार्क्स क्वालिफाई करोगे. आई रिपीट, देखो दिस स्कॉलरशिप इज फॉर अ मेरिट बेस्ड स्टूडेंट. आप अपने मेरिट्स के बेसिस पे स्कॉलरशिप पा पाओगे, बिकॉज बहुत जन होते हैं जो फीस अनअफोर्डेबल है उनके लिए, तो डेफिनेटली दे विल बी गेटिंग स्कॉलरशिप ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ देयर मेरिट्स. So kindly enroll yourself till 10th August, that is the last date. All the links, all the information are given in the description, how to pay, what will be the pattern and all, so you can see the description. Thank you so much.